Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to reset your iPhone 14. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue holding the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until you see your phone turn off and turn back on. Once you see the Apple logo, then you can let go. Wonder what happened there. Just seen that little flicker, right guys? You can let go. Hopefully my phone's not damaged. And there you guys go. Your phone has been resetted.